What's going on, everybody? It's Jeff here, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors. Okay, is the merger going to happen? I got a lot of people reaching out to me saying, Jeff, are you still holding your shares? Have you sold? Are you going to cut your losses? I put it out there to everybody that I purchased at about 25 and change on Monday, and it's down since then. Okay, we saw the halt. It dropped all the way to 18 after the news was released. But we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to talk about if Cciv Pilahapatia is potentially going to be the one, his SPAC is going to be the one to merge with Lucid. There's a new article that was released today. We're going to go over that. I'm also going to talk a little bit about GameStop and AMC. I got a lot of people reaching out to me as well saying, have you bought options on it? Have you purchased it? Are you in on it? I'm going to reveal my portfolio because I might have something I'm going to surprise for you. So stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. So let's get into it. First off, CCIV stock. We talked about this, okay, earlier this week. It was on my channel. Okay, this came out Tuesday afternoon. Part of the reason why it pulled back was because the report that the Lucid merger may face delays. Couple reasons. One, it's the new second production plant being built in the city of Jeddah, and potentially also is a merger going to happen? We know that Lucid needs to merge. It needs to raise capital to be able to produce these vehicles to get them out in 2021 like they want to do. However, they took a big $1.3 billion investment, as it shows right here. It's highlighted from the Saudi public investment fund. Are they going to tap into that again, or is it going to merge? So it's kind of been up in the air, guys. There was a new article that was released today I wanted to go over, and it says CCIV could use its unique ties with Lucid to snag it from Pilahapatia. Okay, it goes in and says exactly what we talked about, guys. January 11th, the reason why it spiked, and David Faber kind of casted those doubts and the rumors, and that's why it will cause the halt, especially on Monday too. But here's the kind of the details about it. Like Churchill Capital, Palahapatia's SPAC, it's called Social Capital. Sophia is looking to target. It's looking for an EV. He's made that known. More specifically, anything in the green energy, because he knows that, especially under the Biden administration, anything that's green energy is just going to skyrocket. So he's been in talks with it. I haven't heard anything crucial on it, but this is it. He seems to be the number one contender if it's outside of just taking another investment from the Saudi public investment fund. So but it shows that they're looking to build another factory, which could delay the SPAC as well. But here's what makes it a little bit clearer to us, and which I still believe why CCIV is going to merge with Lucid. Okay, they're going to acquire them, and why I'm still hanging on to them is we talked about this as well. They're arranging their private investment fund. Okay, and the ties between them right here. Okay, Churchill and Lucid have a unique relationship. Their chairman is an operating partner of Churchill. Okay, and it's a special advisor to Lucid, to Lucid's top investor, the Saudi investment wealth fund. It's very, very connected, guys. I can't see it kind of. I just can't see it, and this is why I've chosen to invest in it. Do your own due diligence. This is probably one of my riskier ones. Okay, I like to invest in stocks that are a little bit more fundamental. I'm going to go over my portfolio in a second, guys. But here's what could happen. It says it could spark a rapid sell-off and send the stock crashing. Okay, it was at $10. We know that. I could see it sent back to $10. Let's look at the chart here. We saw it spike up over the news. It's been trending. It came up pretty high and it kind of pulled back. I see it pretty much consolidating around that 22 mark. It's been there for a couple days. I can see it probably considering to stay there for a little while, unless there's any bit of news. This article that I just read to you guys it came out earlier this morning. It wasn't any news. It looked like it sparked it at all. Obviously, it means pretty flat today. But yes, I am still holding my 777 shares, guys. I got in at 25.43, and I'm down 23.46. Let me refresh this, guys. If you do want this exact chart and formula that I use, leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to send it over to you. I have this directly linked via Zapier to my Merrill Lynch account, but yeah, it's 22.41. It's about a 15-minute delay. So, but also I want to point this out, guys. We're talking about GameStop and AMC. I did, for the cause, jump in on AMC this morning. I purchased it at $14.56. I was down a bit, and it looks like I'm up now. Small stake. I moved over. I sold another stock for a little over $5,000, and I moved it into this. And it looks like it just kind of went positive. I am a huge believer, and I wanted to really just, kind of put my money where my mouth is. I've been on Reddit, I've been on Twitter. I love what Wall Street Bets is doing. Okay, I've always hated the short sellers because I don't short stocks myself, and I hated that you're investing in a stock, you're doing well. This happened to Churchill Capital on Monday. One little news article gets released. Who knows if it's a short or what happens? Sends the stock down crashing, and I don't like that. So I purchased a little bit. I moved it. I'm hoping to swing for the fences. Merrill Lynch, which is why I was showing you that portfolio, guys, allowed me to do it. Yesterday, it would not let me. Today, it would still not let me go through GameStop. I don't know. I know they're selling limited shares, so I don't know exactly if that means that I just couldn't do it or the platform wasn't allowing it at the time. But AMC, sorry guys, AMC I went in on. I hope we can hit it. I'm gonna hang on to this one till the end. I'm not gonna sell this one. I believe in what everybody's doing, and I wanted to jump on and join. And hey, hopefully we can get this thing to ride up to the promised land, and get this to squeeze a little bit more. So guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any shares, what you got in with. Okay, if you're holding on to CCIV, let me know too. Consider leaving a like on this video if you found any value. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.